What's up, my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? This is your boy Yakub, aka Kuba from Sustainability Starts Within. And today I want to address something very important when it comes to raw foods, but any diet in general, and that's food combining, the way that you combine food. We are out here on day 8. We're at the end of day 8 of the End of May Raw Challenge, and we have just stepped into week 2, baby. So this is going to be our second week of being fully raw. And if you want to join the challenge, you'll see the link below, some info below. And food combining is something important that has been coming up in the group because it's really important for feeling good and for having a good digestion. And all this kind of information that I talk about, as well as more details, could be found in my 7-day video series. In the description below, you can find the link, or else in my bio. And it's a free video series, comes with a meal plan, comes with recipes, and it goes into a lot of detail, and it's completely free, so check that out if you want to learn more. So for food combining, there's a few main things to think about, and the first thing is the combination of sugar and fat. So you want to avoid combining sugar with too much fat. So I know a lot of people are scared of sugar, especially with issues like diabetes. And now I'm not a medical professional, so seek medical advice if you have any illnesses. But from what I have learned in this raw vegan diet that I've been on for over 6 years now, well, at least I've been into it, high fruit diet, is that you don't want to mix fat with sugar, because it's the fat that blocks the sugar in your system, especially in your blood. So sugar goes in your blood in and out really fast. It fuels you, gives you energy for the day, whereas fat is something that goes in the blood but does not come out as fast. It goes really slowly through the system. So when you have a lot of fat in your system, the sugar gets blocked, and that's why you have issues with sugar, spikes in sugar in your blood and things like that. So you either want to keep it to just fat on its own or just sugar on its own, ideally. So the next thing is the different kinds of food that you combine. So I'm going to focus more on the fruit and vegetable world, especially the fruit. So you want to have things that are water rich first in the day and things that are more dense later in the day. So look up food combining charts, because it's good to look at one. If I can, maybe I'll put one up right here. And you'll see that things like melons should be eaten alone because they're so water rich. So if you eat a melon on top of a banana, you might have indigestion and issues like that. So you want to keep those fruits separate and have them first in the day. You want to have acidic fruits like oranges and pineapples before. You don't want to mix those with sweet fruits like bananas and dates. So the subacid you could mix with sweet fruits, but not the acid. So everything digests at its own speed, so you want things digesting that digest at similar speeds eaten together, and other things eaten after that are more dense and that take longer to digest. Otherwise, when you eat something, especially something heavier, say you eat an avocado, it's going through you slowly, and then you eat watermelon, it'll try to push it through. So you want things moving at whatever pace they move at without other foods interfering and trying to push it through faster, so that the body can use it up at its own pace and absorb all the nutrition properly and utilize it properly. I'll definitely make another video getting more detailed into the food combining of the different types of fruits, but this one is a little more general, so make sure you subscribe to my videos. I'll keep putting out content like this. And the third thing I want to mention is mono meals, so eating a food, one of its kind on its own, so one ingredient at a time, nothing else. Especially with fruit, this is easy to do because when you find a good fruit, like a good melon, it's all you want to eat, and you just want to eat it until you're satisfied, satiated, and then you put it away. So this is great because when your body has one ingredient, it's just so much more efficient on the digestion. You don't have different speeds of foods all mixing together, and the body, the digestive tract is like, Oh, we're digesting pineapple. No, wait, we're digesting melon. No, wait, we're digesting banana. No, wait, we're digesting avocado. And it's confused with all these things at once. But when you have one ingredient at a time, your body knows it's dealing with that one tomato ingredient, and you're just eating tomatoes, for example. That might be hard for a lot of people to do, but when you get in tune with the lifestyle, you can eat straight up lettuce on its own. And you're eating that one ingredient, and it's going through, and it's also cleaning everything out, because when you're filling your stomach with one ingredient, it allows the stomach to flush out whatever's in there, and then at a consistent pace, it's going through your digestion, and then your poops are just flawless, and then you have way more energy because you're not digesting food all the time. So mono meals are key. So don't forget to check out the free video series. You'll learn so much more about all of this, and it's for free, 7 days. Every day you'll get a homework assignment to get you taking action to finally incorporate a high fruit and vegetable diet and start living healthfully. So peace out till next time.